Are you sick and tired of your calm, peaceful life? Are you sleeping too well at night? Is your city too safe? Well, not anymore. Introducing Democrats. Politicians so incompetent they'll fill your neighborhood with riots, looting.
An SCP Foundation test states that declare a global emergency. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At the 12:21 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, and super red event has occurring around the world and changed the sun into broken sun. Anyone who got direct contact to the sun will immediately turning into blob slime. All residents are requested to stay indoors or evacuated to Site 17 shelter. We will provide update every hour. Welcome to the end of the world. Please pay attention to this message.